Calm Premium Meditation and Sleep Pricing explained what you get for your money. If you ever struggle to quiet your mind or get a good night's sleep, Calm might be the app you've been looking for. But what exactly do you get when you pay for Calm Premium, and is it worth it? Calm Premium costs about $99 per month or $99 per year. The free version gives you a few basic meditations, but Premium unlocks the full experience and it's massive. You gain access to over 100 guided meditation series covering stress, focus, and anxiety, plus exclusive sleep stories narrated by famous voices like Matthew McConaughey and Idris Elba. These bedtime stories are designed to help adults drift off peacefully. Most people get this wrong. They think meditation is only for relaxation. But Calm's programs go beyond that, with tools for emotional regulation, mindfulness, and even morning motivation. There are daily 10-minute sessions, music tracks for focus, and breathing exercises that you can use anytime you feel overwhelmed. For sleep, Calm includes soothing soundscapes, body scans, and customizable sleep timers that guide your mind into deep rest. So, what do you get for your money? A complete toolkit for your mental well-being built around peace, focus, and better sleep. If you're ready to invest in your inner calm, this app gives you the structure and serenity to recharge your mind, one mindful minute at a time.